Alright, I've got to be honest with you guys. One of my life goals is to become a linked influencer. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's somebody who can create top quality content on LinkedIn. But there's one crucial element of being a linked influencer. You have to know absolutely nothing about business. So yesterday I was out and I had a really good businessy thought. Let's give it a watch. Hey guys, and welcome to my business top tip. Today's top tip is in business is make money, lots of it. Because obviously if you don't, you're not good business, but you need to make some money. So that's my business tip. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye. So one big element of LinkedIn content is a progress bar. People like to be able to clearly see how long is left of a video. And with VEED, it's super easy to add that in. It's literally just an element. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how to add one in without having to mess around with animation software and spend hours. It's literally a job done in seconds. Let's go. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is jump onto VEED. Okay, so here we are now in VEED. We've got our footage loaded in, and all you have to do is go here, click on Elements, and from there you just click on Progress Bar. And once you've got that there, super simple, you just hit Add Progress Bar. And now the progress bar is there. Now there's not a whole lot that you really have to do with it. It kind of just depends on what you want to do. So I'm going to be bringing this one down to the bottom of the image. Like that. And I'm actually going to make it just a little bit smaller as well. And with the center snapping lines on VEED, it makes it so easy to make sure that you've got it in the perfect place. So there it is. And now if we hit play. Hey guys, and welcome to my business top tip. And as you can clearly see, the progress bar is going through at the speed of the video. But I'm going to change it a little bit more because I want it to look a little bit more interesting. And with VEED, you have the option really quickly to change colors. So I don't mind the background color there being white, but the foreground color here, I want to change that. So let's actually change this to the VEED pink. So you literally just hit that and there you go, the color has changed. And that's a way that you can create a really simple animated element and you can put it in your own brand's colors and turn it into something that you've created. And so from there, there's only one thing left to do. You want to download it. So you just go over, you hit download, and straight away the video is rendering. And all we have to do is hit download video. And there you go, now it's already downloading. Simple.